Hey y'all, I got this tractor. I'm trying to find out what year it is, and I'm wondering if any of you guys out there can tell me. I've bought manuals and we've tried our best to figure out what year it is, but it's hard. So we got these numbers on the casting, and the bottom one, I don't know, you might not be able to see it.
Get a shot over here. Come around to the
So
front.
I'm at what?
Come around to the front. Get up close view of the front.
Here's the front of the tractor. Can't walk around the other side. So, if anyone can help me, I would so appreciate it. We have looked and like I said, bought manuals and everything, and we're having a hard time. Yeah, it's in bad shape, but we're gonna fix all of that. So, if anybody out there can help me, like I said, I'd really appreciate it. Thanks in advance.